us that have Dodge Chargers. Here's mine. It's a 2008 Dodge Charger, 3.5. It's not got the Hemi, and I've only done 2 modifications. Headlights. While you're all here, it's for the Lambos. The most common mistake that everyone makes whenever they see my doors is they say, "Oh, that's a suicide door," and that's totally wrong. A suicide door will move. Well, has a hinge that'll come out like this, and like that's a suicide door. And the reason why I call it suicide is because they would throw dead bodies out. You probably did that. Anyway, okay. But this is gonna call a Lambo door, or a scissor door. And the reason is because I think it's because the hinge on the thing, and like it obviously goes up. Okay, so what makes a Lambo door work is the metal black piece that you see. This piece right here sways down like this. It's just a big, huge metal piece bolted to your car with 4 bolts, and it comes down like this. And this is your, and then your short shock absorber takes and allows the door to be really easily open and closed. So without this, it'd be really heavy to do it. Okay, so here's the pros of having a Lambo door. Obviously, the first one would be everyone thinks it's amazing, and you get seen everywhere, and everyone's gonna come up to you and say, "How's that work? How's that? That's amazing. What is that called? I've never seen that." And some people ask you, "Is that stock?" Obviously, that's not stock. 2 would be that it still functions as a normal door. It's not really affected by that at all. It just goes up, but it does go out a little bit less than what it would normally. But like, I mean, you still have a lot of room, a lot of space between it. Pro number 3 is it's really easy to do. Like, it looks like it's really hard, but it's really not. And even my wife can do it. She has no issues at all putting it on or bringing it up and down. Well, she has problems bringing it down. So it's a little harder because obviously the shock absorber is not helping you bringing it down. It's bringing it up, so it's going to be a little harder bringing it down. But that's a pro and a con itself. Okay, con number 1. Obviously they're expensive. Or if they were cheap, then everyone would have them on their car. The first expensive thing is like to put them on. The kit alone is like $350. That's not even count like some of the better ones, like that they say is more for your car, are more expensive, but really you're just getting the same thing. It'd just be better just to get the $350 like I did. And then to put them on your car, then they're $1,200, and that's if you can find somebody that can do it. That gets me to con number 2. Con number 2 is finding someone that actually do it. There was like 5 to 10 people in my town that I asked, and there was only one person that recommended doing it. And he said he had problems putting them on. Number 3 is after you get it on, maintaining it, because it's very hard to maintain it. When it's cold outside like it is right now, especially when it fluctuates hot to cold, then hot to cold, then your shock, like when you get out there, you'll be like, "Oh, I'm so amazing," and you'll lift it like this. And then the worst thing for us is when it goes all by itself. Like you'll sit there and you'll be like, I get all this stuff. So basically, you have to replace this ball joint right here on the bottom. So the way you take and maintenance it and redo your shock is you hold your door up. You have to put it on, anchor it on something so it'll hold up, and it's a heavy door. And then you take and unbolt it from here and to unbolt it on the top, which the top one's really hard to get to. You don't have to take the fender off. You don't have to do anything like that. It's just really simple after you figure it out the first time. But like I said, it's just doing it every year for the most part. Number 4, this right here, this nightmare you see. Every time you drive this car, it's better to Loctite it. And where that bolt is, there's an align bolt where the adjuster is. It's kind of hard to film it, so I can't show you that, but if you feel your hand behind it, you'll see it, and it's the bolt that goes in and out. And it shows where this door will fall down and hit the ground and connect to your door latch, and it'll connect to your door latch. And if this isn't properly, if this isn't properly lined up, then it won't. If it's up higher, then the door won't catch, and it'll hit really hard, and it'll mess up this whole thing right here. And also, right here, your weather stripping. Every time you took another con, because your weather stripping will go bad really quickly compared to like if it was just normal wear, this thing wouldn't fall apart, but mine's just falling apart for the most part. And also, as you can see, okay. Also, you can see all my wires and stuff. You know, if I'd probably done that, I should have covered it all and stuff, but I didn't. And also, you get a lot of wind right here, and so when you're driving down the road, you'll see a whole bunch. You can feel it inside your car. Like you can hear it, you can feel it, and like a slight thing. It's not a big difference, but you could just simply put foam in there. But I don't want to do that because it's just harder to clean it out and stuff like that. Okay, number 5. The one that I don't like the most is that when you're doing a Lambo, your whole bolt-on thing goes right here, your hinge. And so what it does is you have to cut a little slit. It's like a fender support, and so now your fender literally has no support at all right here. Now that we've got the pros and cons out of the way, I've had this car for like 4 years now, I think, and like with the Lambos and everything, and I wouldn't get them. It's not worth it. I mean, we don't even Lambo. Me and my wife don't like Lambo that much anymore, and like mostly it's just like, you know, people will like it and think it's cool, but for the most part, people, I don't know, they act like you have way more money than they have, and it has nothing to do with that at all. It's just something that I saw in a movie, and you know, we all know which one I'm talking about, and it's like, I want that. And I told my papa a long time ago that's why I don't want it, and like he told me not to do it, and now that I've done it, I think I wouldn't do it. I mean, it's cool, you know, like if you're just younger and you know, you're just like, I want to do that. It's not that hard. It's not as infeasible like I thought it was when I was younger. But now that I've had the car, as a daily driver, it's not worth it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and tell me anything that I did wrong or that I can improve, and that topics that you'd like to hear in the future.